Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. You already know, gotta hit you with the quick, cringy sales pitch. If you get to the end of this video and you enjoyed it, you wanna stick around for more, think about hitting that subscribe button down below. Totally free for you guys to subscribe. If not, just hit a quick like on the video, comment down below, share your opinion. But yeah, all that engagement really helps please the whole YouTube algorithm and push my content out there. So any of those things, really appreciate it. So obviously by the title of this video, we're back working on my 2024 S650 Mustang. The homies over at EOS Extreme Online Store has blessed us once again with some carbon fiber goodness. So we're gonna be installing some more carbon fiber goodies. Obviously today, like the title says, we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber hood vent. I have it over here, so I'm gonna put you guys on my POV hat and we're gonna check out the entire install, check out the product, and yeah, it's gonna be a quick, fun video for you guys today. So let's go ahead and get that started. So chilling right over here on my massive pile of parts, we have the new vent. As you can see, real deal carbon fiber, gloss finished, no hydro dipped, no fake, no Mickey Mouse, no BS, real deal carbon fiber weave. Looks awesome. We turn it over onto the back. You can see it's the whole unfinished weave there. Install on this, really simple. It's just held on there with those 4 bolts. These are 9mm bolts, so you'll need like a 9mm socket or a 9mm wrench to get the stock one out. And then you really just need to pop it out, and then you go ahead, drop this one in there, reuse the factory hardware, and you'll be good to go. So it's going to be a really quick time lapse. I'll put some overlays on the screen there just briefly describing it, but like I said, this is super simple, very beginner modification. You should get this done no more than 5-10 minutes. So let's go ahead, get it done. Have it fam, install took me no more than 5 minutes. Really happy with the outcome. As you can see, there it is, sitting nice and pretty, perfect fit, nice and flush. EOS, always the best with fit, always the best carbon fiber weave. Love those guys. Like I said before, product link, store link is going to be down in the description below. Go check them out. Yeah, but I'm just an absolute sucker for, black and carbon fiber. If you know the build, you already know. Bunch of carbon fiber parts all over here. If you've seen my TRX build, you know the exact same. Black carbon fiber, it's my thing. But yeah, this thing looks absolutely sick. I think it really complements everything else I have going on here. But I'll give you guys a quick rundown. Got carbon fiber front grille up there, also from EOS. The little side grille eyelets right there as well. Carbon fiber. We move back here. Got the carbon fiber mirror caps. Then towards the back over here, got the carbon fiber gurney flap. That's on the Dark Horse style wing. If you buy like these cheap imitation Dark Horse wings, they come with like the clear plexiglass one, but the carbon fiber one to me just looks a hell of a lot more baller. We got the tail light bezels right here. We got the deck lid right here as well. And then my favorite piece by far has got to be the full carbon fiber diffuser in the rear. Like I said, all of this, EOS, they're the homies. Go check them out. Install videos for all of this. So if you want to install any of this stuff, you can go scroll up right up here to the playlist and you can watch all the install videos. Did it all myself. It's all really simple. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Might as well show you guys the rest of the carbon fiber setup on the inside. All the carbon fiber interior pieces, carbon fiber steering wheel, all this stuff, you can pick it up from EOS. And underneath the hood, I also have the carbon fiber radiator cover. And if you don't know, I got the stage 3 VMP Whipple supercharger kit here, so I got the carbon fiber intake tube as well, which pairs really nicely with the radiator duct underneath here. Sorry for the the light right now, guys, but as you can see, fits real nice. these clips right there, you just got to push these down so they click into position, and then right there the 4 9mm bolts. But yeah guys, really simple, and if I can do it, you guys can do it. So yeah, go hit up EOS and treat yourself to some sick carbon fiber parts. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Really quick video today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and like I've said earlier, product links are going to be down in the description below. Like I said at the beginning of this video, sorry once again you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what else you guys like to see me install on the Mustang. Give me some opinions, some insight. But yeah guys, my name's Will, this is With Me YouTube channel. Thanks for chilling with me tonight, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later everybody.